Brave.
Gori.
Hi, baby.
My dearest Gungun.
She is rough and tough.
I actually have not two, I have too many words for you. One would be my bestest, and you are a vibe, you are ecstatic, you are vibrant. I can't finish you in just one word.
Panda.
Chilbuli.
Impressive.
Queen.
Carrie.
My cute little Fussy.
Bindas.
Fearless, adventurous,
Annoying. Nope.
Irritating. બધાથી બહુ જ irritate થાય. એ જ મને બહુ મજા આવે.
I think the most annoying habit, which I think everybody would agree, would be you being late. Like, I don't know how do you make it happen, but you are extremely late everywhere, but that's okay. And another would be that it's very annoying because I'm very stubborn and I don't really, I'm not okay with anybody making me do things their way, but you have the capability of making me do things your way, so yeah, it's fine, but it's annoying. You should know that.
Getting up very, very late in the morning.
गुंजन की मोस्ट अनोइंग हैबिट आई नो दिस वो ना हमेशा लोगों को वेट बहुत करवाती है. आई हैव दिस पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस. घर से निकलने के आधे घंटे पहले उसको बोल देना होता है कि मैं निकल चुकी हूँ, फिर भी उसके घर के बाहर 5 मिनट तक तो रुकना ही पड़ता है. इट इज काइंड ऑफ अ रिचुअल.
ગુંજન ને નાની હતી ને ત્યારે આજુબાજુમાં બેઠેલા લોકોને ચિમટા ભરવું બહુ ગમતું.
એમ તો all her habits annoy me every minute, every hour of the day. But if I have to name one, it'll be she's never on time. Never ever. હું ઘરે હો અને we decide that we have to go somewhere after 15 minutes. Even if I leave after 20-25 minutes, she'll be still at home, getting ready or maybe trying to finish some work. I don't know what, but she's never on time.
એનો મેગી મસાલો એમ જ ખાવાની આદત.
Skin biting.
लेट लतीफ़ है दीदी. शी इज़ ऑलवेज लेट. कभी टाइम पे नहीं आता है, एंड दैट इज़ द मोस्ट अनोइंग हैबिट ऑफ हर. और कुछ अनोय नहीं करती.
8 minutes.
Damn late Latif, I would say. She calls me up at 10 p.m. saying I'm done with the work. You can come at the store, pick me up, and let's go out to chill somewhere. I reach at the store by like 10:15 max, and I've been waiting outside for like 30 minutes, 40 minutes, and she ends up coming at 10:45 saying, oh sorry, I got a last moment order. So yeah, but she's an amazing travel companion, though she's a late Latif.
She is moody sometimes.
Making any plan with Gunjan is so stressful. All you can be sure of is that whatever is planned is never going to happen. So yeah, that.
Yes, so many times.
ઓલવેઝ કરે છે એ તો. ક્યાં તો એ થયેલો પ્લાન કેન્સલ કરે અને યા તો નહીં થયેલો પ્લાન અચાનક જ ઇમ્પ્લિમેન્ટ થાય.
Yes, mostly all our plans are last minute, but it's okay because I also many a times end up making last minute plans or even cancelling them for that matter. So it's okay. I'm okay.
गुंजन ने कभी ऐसे एंड मोमेंट पे प्लान कैंसिल तो नहीं किया, बट या नाइट आउट्स पे ना वो हमेशा हम लोगों को बोलती है कि कल सुबह यहाँ पे जाएंगे, वहाँ पे जाएंगे, एंड इट टर्न्स आउट दैट वो खुद ही सो जाती है. फिर उसको देख के हम लोग भी सो जाते हैं और प्लान अपने आप कैंसिल हो जाता है. और उसके अलावा वो ऑन द स्पॉट प्लान्स बनाने में शी इज लाइक एक्सपर्ट, और उसके साथ बहुत मजा आती है एंड मोमेंट प्लान्स में भी.
हमेशा एंड मोमेंट प्लान ही बनता है दीदी के साथ. इट इज़ नेवर फिक्स्ड. अभी 10 मिनट पहले बात कर रहे हैं, 10 मिनट बाद she'll be like कि चलो लोनावला जाते हैं, चलो पुणे जाते हैं. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, वो हमेशा बेस्ट प्लान्स होते हैं.
Yes, we often have last minute plans after shop. Most of the time she wants to go to Novotel on a drive to have a Magai Judi.
Cancel plans with me, but I'm really very sure that we have had n number of sudden on the spot plans, and those plans have been the greatest plans of our lives. I'm sure you know what I mean right now, but yeah, I don't think I've cancelled plans unless and until they're very important. More than that.
એક જ ડાન્સ ઈ કરે છે.
Are you high, bro?
गुंजन का डांस थोड़ा स्लो होता है.
I don't know honestly, because I'm also not a dance buddy with you.
I think you should know that you're not a great dancer, but I know there's this one step will be like we go out, you have like this, like grooving. So that's one of the steps. But let me tell you, you are capable of pulling any of the steps because you, my friend, are my favorite TikTok star. I know TikTok ban has been really harsh on you. I'm very happy about it, but you are my star. So any step I think you are capable of doing it.
What kind of dance is this?
Hello, this is Gunjan dance, don't you know?
Always like this. I don't know what step is this.
I love you, Kunjan.
ગુંજન એટલે અમારી ઓલરાઉન્ડર. જે કામ ધારે તે પૂરું કરીને છોડે. એકાઉન્ટિંગ વર્કમાં થોડી આળસુ, પણ જ્યારે કામ ધારે ત્યારે બધું એક જ સેટિંગમાં પૂરું કરે. ગુંજન અમારા બે ઘર વચ્ચે હસતો ફૂલ છે. જ્યારે પણ અમારા ઘરમાં આવે ત્યારે હસમુખ વાતાવરણ કરાવી દે. ગુંજન એક નાની ઉંમરમાં ઘણા ડિસિઝનો લઈ શકે છે. એનું મેઇન પાવર એનું માઇન્ડ વર્કિંગ બહુ ફાસ્ટ કરે છે. ત્યારે અત્યારે તો નાની ઉંમરમાં એના ફાઇનાન્શિયલ ડિસિઝનો પણ લેવા લાગી છે. જેમ જોઈએ તો ઉંમરની નાની ઉંમરમાં ઘણી પ્રગતિ કરે છે. આઉટસોર્सेस બી જેમ ઘણી મોટા મોટા માણસોની એને ઓળખાણો બી રાખી છે. એટલે ગુંજન એક એવા વ્યક્તિ છે. જન્મદિવસની ગુંજનને ખૂબ ખૂબ વધાર.
It is difficult to finish you in few words, but all I can say is I can never ever imagine even my single day without you. So you are too special to me. Enjoy your day, and we are always there for you. I want you to be there for me always. So yeah, may you have a very very good year to come.
टाइम पास कंपनी भवरे की गुंजन है मेरा दिल. मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे डियर गुंजन. आई लव यू, वी लव यू.
ગુંજ ગુંજ એટલે ડિજિટલ ડિક્શનરી ફોર અસ, નોટ ઓનલી ફોર અસ, ફોર એવરીવન. કંઈ પણ અટકે ગુંજન. ઘરના કંઈ ડિસિઝન લેવા છે ગુંજન. બેન્કિંગ ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન ગુંજન. સેલફોનમાં કંઈક અટકે ગુંજન. ગુંજન ડિસિઝનમાં એકદમ ફાસ્ટ છે. કંઈ પણ ડિસિઝન લેવું હોય તો ગુંજન લઈ શકે. અને ઉઠવામાં લેટ લગતી ભલે હોય પણ ઉઠ્યા પછી એની કાર્ય કરવાની જે રીત છે ફટાફટ નક્કી કર્યું એટલે પછી કરીને જ રહે. બોલવામાં તો એટલી મીઠડી કે બધાનું મન મોહી લે. ઘરની નાની અને લાડલી તો છે જ, પણ તેમ છતાં પણ મારી પાસે એક નહીં ને બબ્બે બિઝનેસ વુમન છે. નાનીઓમાં છતાં બી સારી રીતે હેન્ડલ કરે છે. આજના દિવસની તને ખૂબ ખૂબ શુભેચ્છા જન્મદિવસની.
Gunjan is very, very, very sweet sister. I really like this quality of hers, of being so caring and always being there on a toe for us. Urvi and Gunjan, they both have this Leo trait of being available for everyone at any point of time. This is it.
ગુંજન એના નામને સાર્થક કરે છે. ગુંજન ઘરમાં આવે અને ઘર ગુંજી ઉઠે. ગુંજન વગરના ઘરની કલ્પના મીનાબેન અને રાજુભાઈ તો નહીં જ કરતા હોય, પણ એકતાના ઘરમાં એકતાના સાસરે પણ ગુંજનનો અવાજ ગુંજે નહીં તો એનું ઘર નિશબ્દ લાગે.
ગુંજન એના નામ પ્રમાણે ગુનગુન ગુનગુન કરતી રહેતી હોય અને એને કોઈની પણ જોડે ઓળખાણ કરવામાં વાર નથી લાગતી, એ બધા જોડે સહેલાઈથી મિક્સ થઈ જાય છે.
ગુંજન એટલે મારા સંકટ સમયની સાંકળ. શી હેઝ ક્વિક ફિક્સ સોલ્યુશન્સ ફોર ઓલ ધ પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ. ઓલરાઉન્ડર તો તે છે જ, અને માર્કેટિંગમાં એક નંબર.
I don't think that I have a few words for you. You are a bundle of joy and a bundle of happiness to me. So to describe my happiness, few words are really less. Okay, and just to sum up, and definitely this is not enough for what I feel for you and what you mean to me. So let me just tell you, if there is world, the entire world on one end, and then there is you on the second end, given a choice to pick between these two, I am definitely always going to pick you, because you are my entire world. It really means very extremely, I don't know, I just don't have words. I am like literally out of words, and I am so happy that you have turned 26 today. We have literally grown together. We have seen good days, we have seen bad days, we have seen great days together, and I hope and I wish to see many more further days with you. Beautiful further days, beautiful life. I want to see you grow. I want to see both of us grow together, and we have literally grown together. We have seen good days, we have seen bad days, we have seen great days together, and I hope and I wish to see many more further days with you. Beautiful further days, beautiful life. I want to see you grow. I want to see both of us grow together, and I want you in my life forever. And you and I are perfect together. Let me tell you, never let anybody tell you anything else otherwise. And happy birthday, best friend. I love you so much. Please keep rocking my life the way you've always done since day one.
गुंजन दीदी इज़ वेरी केयरिंग फॉर मी, क्योंकि मैं छोटी बहन हूँ उसकी, और हम दोनों बहुत सिमिलर है, तो ऐसा एक कनेक्शन है हम लोग का अलग ही. शी इज़ एल्डर टू मी, आई थिंक 6 years, बट नेवर फील्स लाइक. फोटोज़ में भी सब जगह शी लुक्स यंगर देन मी और ऑफ माई एज, बट शी इज़ नॉट दैट.
હા, એ બહુ જ પ્રેમાળ અને મદદરૂપ છે. ગોરી.
She's a happy-go-lucky girl. She likes to spread happiness. She's always excited about new things, learning new things, roaming around new places, exploring the new food joints. I would say in this lockdown, she was a good baker, but in this lockdown, she has learned cooking lunch and dinner, and I feel she'll overtake Ekta soon in that part also. She is a helper. She likes to help people, made in family, friends, or friends. So on this special day,
गुंजन कैन सेल वाटर इवन टू द सी. बातों में उसको कोई बीट नहीं कर सकता. I even love her taste in music. So we have this little tradition that whenever she comes home, she'll be like, Hardi, you heard this song, and then we'll sit on the swing, listen to the song, sing at the loudest we can, and that's my favorite memory of her. Happy birthday, Gunjan. May all your wishes come true.
Happy birthday, Gunjan. Amazing travel companion, I would say. We've not gone on much trips, but whatever trips we've gone, she's made me done best possible adventure. I cannot just forget that the roller coaster ride at the Ferrari World, where I was like, I don't want to sit on it, but she's like, no, you have to. But yeah, that was an amazing time we spent, I would say. I've not experienced the best memory with you. I would say there are a lot of memories, like a lot, but the best trip which we had, the last on my birthday, that was amazing. Like an amazing surprise when I landed. Straight away we had to go on a trip. So yeah, Gunjan is a super caring, emotional, but yeah, she's just amazing, I would say. बर्थडे है भाई, बर्थडे है तेरे भाई का बर्थडे है.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gunjan. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Gunjan.
God bless you.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Gunjan.
I would like to wish her a very happy birthday. May her all dreams come true. Gunjan, happy birthday. Take care.
ગુંજન હેપી બર્થડે સુખી થાવ અને આરામથી જીવો
દરેક સપના જીવનમાં પૂરા થાય એવા શુભાશીષ
આશીર્વાદ.
Many, many happy returns of the day, and I hope you are having a good one.
I love you. Happy birthday.
याद है तेरे को तू मैं गुंजन हार्दिया दीदी तेरे को भी मेरे को भी गुंजन का याद आया